Hello friends and my dear students, welcome to my channel. Myself Kainat, your trainer, is going to explain today English vocabulary number 2. I repeat again, English vocabulary number 2. Alright, so word for today is collect. I repeat again, word for today is collect. Now, always try to understand the originality of this word. What is the originality of this word? It is a verb. Okay, and as you all know, what is the meaning of verb? Verb means action. Okay, what is the meaning of action in Hindi? It means काम. Okay, another word. What is the another word for action? I can even say work. Okay, is it clear? So now if you see what is the originality of this word collect, it's a verb. Okay, that means it's an action. Okay, now let's see the Hindi translation of this word. In Hindi, what is the meaning? Jama karna. For example, what you can save or what you can collect, that is money. Okay, so here I have made one simple sentence. Please try to understand this sentence in English. I collect money for poor people. Okay, I collect money for poor people. Another word for collect in Hindi, I can say ikatha karna. Okay, jama karna, ikatha karna, that is called collect. Okay, so now in Hindi, the translation of this sentence in Hindi is मैं गरीबों के लिए पैसा जमा करता या करती हूँ. Now don't forget, this is a tense. Okay, always remember, whenever there is a verb, it means the sentence is in tense form. Okay, now check the formula of this sentence. I is subject. Okay, collect is verb because that is an action which has taken place, and money for poor people, this whole thing under bracket is object. Okay, so now my friends and dear students, please notice this, that whenever you have verb, you have to use the formula. Whenever you have verb, okay, whenever you have verb, please use the formula. Okay, and this formula is nothing but it is a formula of tenses. Okay, and if you notice here, I collect money for poor people, it is very simple. It is which tense? It is a simple present tense. Okay, is it clear? Alright, now coming to second word. Now if you see here, it is collect. Now from the word collect, we can make another word, that is collection. Okay, now what is the originality of the word collection? Collection is a noun. Now as you all know, what is a noun? Noun means name, and in Hindi it means noun. Okay, now I really apologize, my pen is little not working, but in case if you don't understand my writing, you can send me feedback. I repeat again. Alright, but I'm trying my best to write. So coming back to collection, the word collection, what is the meaning of collection? First of all, please try to understand the originality of this word. It's a noun. Okay, and in Hindi you can say jama hua. The verb says jama karna, it is an action. You are doing that, इकट्ठा कर रहे हो. But here collection, it means जमा हुआ, मतलब इकट्ठा हो चुका है. Okay, it's a collection. Okay, now in this, as you all know, if it's a noun, always try to use in starting of the sentence. Always remember this. Always remember this. Whenever it is a verb, use it in middle of the sentence. Whenever it is a noun, use it in starting of the sentence, because it will help you to make your sentence clear, okay, and easy to form. Alright, just remember these rules. Now if we read this sentence, what it says, collection for poor people is 1 lakh rupees in the year 2020. Okay, now if you notice in this sentence, can you pick out any verb from this sentence? Is there any action verb in this sentence? So let's check. Collection is a noun. For is, it's a preposition. Poor people, again it's a noun. Is, no, it is not a verb. Yes, you can say is a verb, but it's a main verb, not an action verb. And what we have to search? We have to search action verb, meaning some action should take place in the sentence. Is there any action taking place in the sentence? No. So 1 lakh rupees also not a verb. In the year 2020 is also not a verb. So my friends and dear students, please notice, whenever you apply the word collection in starting of the sentence, it's fine, but always remember 90 to 95% there won't be any action verb in the sentence. Okay, so if you see this sentence, it is a simple sentence. What is it? It is a simple sentence. This sentence, is it tense? No. So I will say it is not a tense, but it is a simple sentence. Okay, why it is not a tense? Because no action verb. Okay, because there is no action verb in the sentence. Okay, and even if you see, no formula, because there is no verb, that's why we haven't applied any formula like subject verb object. Is there any formula like subject verb object? No, it's not there. Okay, so always remember, I repeat again, whenever you apply the word noun in starting of the sentence, 90 to 95% there won't be action verb in the sentence. Okay, and if there is no action verb, that means it is a simple sentence. Okay, and if it is a simple sentence, please don't forget, it won't be a tense. Okay, and if it's not a tense, then it's not a formula. You can't apply formula, subject, verb and object. Okay, I hope this is very clear to you. In case you need a revision of the same, you kindly share your feedback. I'll do the same. Okay, so now if you read Hindi translation of this sentence, साल 2020 में 1 लाख रुपए गरीबों के लिए जमा हुआ है. It's very simple. Okay, it's just a simple sentence which is telling you a situation. That's it. Alright, so if the rules here, if you just check the rule in this sentence, rule about verb, there is no action verb. Okay, and the second, noun, use in starting of the sentence which is fulfilled. Okay, so we have used noun in starting of the sentence. Alright, so my friends and my dear students, I hope this lecture is very helpful to you. In case any query, any doubt, or you want some feedbacks, if you want to give me some feedbacks, or if you are still confused after my explanation, if you feel more that somewhere you have some queries or doubt, so everything is most welcome. Please share your feedbacks. I'll wait for it, and definitely I reply to all. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless.